So, Weberian model of bureaucracy lacks emotional validity when applied to modern democratic administration. Yes. So, what we can talk? What emotional validity? The dehumanization, compassion wala part you will write it. Lack. Yes, it is about dehumanized. And we talk about humanized compassion. Yes. So that aspect you can see. Plus when we'll talk, you can also link with good governance. Let's see, demands value added. It is about more value neutral, value free. This, that is how we can talk about this. So you can write it. It is not that challenging. Can we say this? Emotional validity. Emotional validity means when it is neutral. The neutral many a time result into status quo type, indifferent type. But you have to be compassionate, you have to be responsive, you have to be responsible, you should solve the problems of society. What good governance is? Right. What we have taught in good governance? What good governance? Why good governance was taught? Right. You remember still good governance in chapter 3, topic 1? Yes. Chapter 3 we have not started yet. Right. Chapter 1, अच्छा ये याद है. Yes. So let's chapter 1, topic 1. Last topic. So ये भी याद है. Right. This you can say that is how it is. The good governance was poor governance. This. So you talk about participation, transparency, accountability, responsiveness, responsibility, all these things. That is how you can say this. So you can link it. It will demand further knowledge. Means we hope the other bureaucracy topic is not finished. Nothing is finished. You should know that. Your understanding will further become better when we teach other topics. Yes, that will understand. Just we have finished Max Weber theoretical aspect. Its application, its let's say criticism, its relevance. You will understand day by day when we will teach other topics. This. That way it is, at least you understand the question. That is more important. Right. Whether you answer or not, future will deal that. This question. Concept of rationality and efficiency are intertwined in the bureaucratic analysis of Max Weber. If you explain this, it will show you have understood what we have taught. No explanation. It is saying rationality and efficiency are intertwined in his analysis. What does it mean? Yes, he talked, but try to understand what is the meaning of this. The concepts of rationality and efficiency are intertwined. Forget about bureaucracy, etc. Bas, let's take this much. इतना इंग्लिश तो आता होगा ना? Yes, this is how it is. So both are embedded. Embedded in that कि both are equal to each other. If you achieve rationality, you achieve. If you achieve efficiency, you achieve rationality. That's why legal rational. For even entire classical thinkers from Taylor to Max Weber, what they want? Rationality. How they want rationality? By elimination of magical elements, by automatization of process. And once you automatize the process in the organization, it is rationality. Rationality brings predictability. If you are able to achieve predictability, that is called efficiency. Yes. So first you have to explain that what exactly by rationality and efficiency, why both are embedded, why both are intertwined. This because it is inseparable for them. For them, if achieve rationality, it is equal to efficiency. Hence, they analyze in the organization for achieving efficiency and rationality, and then you can talk what he was trying to talk by legal rational bureaucracy, its characteristics, show characteristics, and how that legal rational, that characteristics will make bureaucracy rational, and once it is rational, it will achieve efficiency. That's why he considers his bureaucracy as most rational and most efficient. This, but then आप उसके बाद criticize करोगे कि criticism as per this. By that time you will learn these rules of the game, right? तब तक आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि कितना criticize, how much I have to criticize, what I have to criticize, right? So that was the question. Now this question, it is a straightforward question. How you will answer this? Bureau pathology denigrates competence in organization. How bureau pathology denigrates competence? Yes? How it denigrates? Yes? Yes, yes? So first we will explain the behavioral factors. Now we have told that bureau pathology. Bureau pathology means complacency, indifference. So when you have complacency and indifference, so what will happen? Competency will lack. This, there will be lack of competency, let's say. This, the complacency is another opposite of competency, we can consider this. And that complacency, indifference, let's say insensitivity, and frustration, lack of self-esteem, all these things come because of negative behavior, let's say, negative thinking they have, bureau pathology, negative aspect. So once you have inherent negative concepts, let's say, so then let's say that you will not improve, you will not perform. Yes, you will fail to perform. That way it will become denigrates means something antithetical, opposite you can say. Here it means like that. And you can refer how Subba Rao talks, let's say, even in our country like this inefficiency.